This strategy can make you go from this to this. So if you want to know how you can change your entire trading game, then make sure you watch this video till end. So now without any late, let's get started. First, let's talk about which indicator we're going to use in this video, okay? So the indicator is called MACD. Okay, now you might be thinking another MACD strategy, right? No, it's not just any other MACD strategy. This strategy is special because it has 84.6% winning rate. Great, right? So before we start, let's talk about MACD itself. The MACD indicator is a popular tool among traders and investors because it can help determine both trend direction and momentum. The MACD line is used to determine trend direction, while the histogram is used to determine trend strength. Another key feature of the MACD indicator is its ability to identify buy and sell signals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, a bullish signal is formed, whereas when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, a bearish signal is generated. Divergence between the MACD and the price are also looked for by traders. When the price makes lower lows while the MACD makes higher lows, a bullish divergence occurs. And when the price makes higher highs while the MACD makes lower highs, bearish diversion occurs. Okay, now let's talk about that 84.6% winning rate strategy, shall we? First, we need two indicators. First, MACD, second, moving average. Now the settings. First, default MACD settings. Second, 50 period moving average. Now to the rules. Go short when the price is below the 50 moving average line and MACD line cross over. Go long when the price is above the 50 moving average line and MACD lines cross over. And that's it. Now let's see how it works. So now you know the strategy. Make sure you also check market structure before entering the deal. don't blindly go sell or buy, trusting only these indicators. Read the chart, then go ahead.